T-Mobile Home Internet Provider Honest Review. Watch before using. T-Mobile Home Internet is a wireless internet solution designed for people tired of traditional cable providers, offering a straightforward, contract-free alternative. With speeds ranging from 33 Mbps to 182 Mbps depending on your location, it's perfect for general web browsing, streaming in HD, and even gaming, provided your area has strong 5G coverage. One standout feature is its simplicity. There's no complex installation. Plug in the provided gateway device, connect to the app, and you're online within minutes. Priced at $50 per month with autopay and no hidden fees, it's an affordable option compared to many cable providers. The service includes unlimited data, so you won't have to worry about caps or overage charges, a significant win for heavy internet users. T-Mobile Home Internet is ideal for suburban or semi-rural areas where 5G coverage is strong, making it a great choice for cord cutters or households looking to escape monopolistic ISPs. However, it's not without limitations. Performance can fluctuate based on network congestion and signal strength, meaning urban areas with crowded networks may experience slower speeds during peak times. Additionally, the provided gateway device isn't the most robust. Its Wi-Fi range may struggle in larger homes or buildings with thick walls. While it supports external antennas, T-Mobile doesn't officially offer them, so tech-savvy users might need to look for third-party solutions. One of the key advantages is its transparency. There are no contracts, making it easy to cancel without penalties if the service doesn't meet your expectations. T-Mobile also offers a 15-day trial period, so you can test it risk-free. That said, keep in mind that this service isn't designed for those who rely on ultra-high-speed internet for activities like professional-grade video editing or running a home server. It's a consumer-grade solution tailored for typical household usage. In summary, T-Mobile Home Internet is a competitive choice if you live in an area with good 5G reception and want an affordable, no-hassle alternative to cable internet. Its unlimited data, simple setup, and no contract policy make it appealing for many. But it's essential to check the 5G coverage in your area before committing. If you're looking for reliable performance at a fair price without the headaches of traditional ISPs, T-Mobile Home Internet could be the game changer you've been waiting for.